Good morning, Max.
Good morning, Lily. Are you okay?
Not really. My throat hurts.
Oh no, I am sorry to hear that.
I also have a stuffy nose.
A stuffy nose? That means you can't breathe well through your nose.
Yes, exactly. It is hard to breathe.
When did this start?
Last night, I felt cold and tired.
Do you have a fever?
I think so. I feel very warm.
That's not good. You need medicine.
I have a big presentation tomorrow at work.
Really? That is important.
Yes, I cannot be sick tomorrow.
Don't worry, we can go to the pharmacy.
The pharmacy? Right now?
Yes, it's still early. They should be open.
Okay, let me get ready.
Take your time. I'll wait here.
Thank you, Max. You're always so kind.
That's what friends are for.
My nose is so stuffy. I can barely smell my tea.
Drink some warm water. It might help a little.
Good idea.
Do you have a cough too?
A little bit. Not too bad.
Okay, we'll tell the pharmacist everything.
What should I wear? It's raining outside.
Wear something warm and bring an umbrella.
Right. I don't want to get more sick.
Exactly. Let's be careful.
I also have some chills.
Chills? You mean you feel cold even inside?
Yes, my whole body feels cold.
That's a common sign of a fever.
Oh, I didn't know that.
It's okay. The pharmacist can help.
I hope they have something strong.
They probably have many options.
I really need to feel better by tomorrow.
We will do our best.
Thank you for coming with me.
Of course. I wouldn't let you go alone.
You're a really good friend.
I try my best.
Okay, I'm ready now.
Great. Let's grab the umbrella.
It's really coming down out there.
Yes, it's a heavy rain today.
I hope the pharmacy isn't too far.
It's just a 10-minute walk.
That's not too bad.
We can manage it together.
Okay, let's go.
Watch out for that puddle.
Oh, thank you. I almost stepped in it.
This rain is really heavy today.
I know, my shoes are already wet.
We're almost there, just 2 more blocks.
Good. My throat really hurts when I talk.
Try not to talk too much, save your voice.
Okay, I'll try.
At the pharmacy, we can buy over-the-counter medicine.
Over-the-counter medicine? What does that mean?
It means medicine you can buy without a doctor's note.
Oh, that's helpful. I don't have time to see a doctor.
Exactly. It should help with your symptoms.
I hope it works fast.
Most cold medicine helps within a day.
That would be perfect.
Look, there's the pharmacy sign.
I see it. The green cross sign.
Yes, that's the symbol for a pharmacy.
I didn't know that before.
Now you do.
My nose is really running now.
A runny nose, that's common with a cold.
I need a tissue.
Here, I have one in my bag.
Thank you so much.
No problem. I always carry extra tissues.
You're always prepared.
I try to be.
Let's hurry. I want to get inside.
Yes, let's go.
I can see the door from here.
Almost there.
I hope it's not too crowded.
It's still early. It should be quiet.
Do you think they'll have children's medicine too? I want to bring some home for my nephew. He has a cold as well.
Oh, that's kind of you. Yes, they usually have children's medicine too.
Good. I'll ask about it.
We can ask the pharmacist directly.
They probably know a lot about medicine.
Yes, pharmacists study for many years.
Wow, I didn't know that.
They can answer almost any question about medicine.
That's reassuring.
Here we are. Let's go inside.
Finally, I'm ready to get out of the rain.
Me too. Let's shake off our umbrellas first.
Good idea. I don't want to make a mess inside.
There's an umbrella stand by the door.
Perfect. Let's put them there.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
Good morning. I have a bad cold.
I'm sorry to hear that. What symptoms do you have?
A sore throat, a stuffy nose, and some chills.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, a mild one.
Okay, I recommend this cold medicine. It treats all of those symptoms.
How often does she need to take it?
Twice a day, once in the morning and once at night.
Twice a day? Is that the dosage?
Yes, dosage means how much medicine to take and when.
Oh, now I understand.
Are there any side effects?
It might make her a little drowsy.
Drowsy? What does that mean?
It means sleepy. You might feel tired after taking it.
Oh, I see. I'll take it before bed then.
That's a smart idea.
How much does it cost?
This brand name box is $12.
$12? That's a bit expensive.
We also have a generic brand for $8.
A generic brand? Is it the same medicine?
Yes, it has the same ingredients, just a different name and box.
Oh, that's good to know. I'll take the generic one.
Good choice. It works just as well.
Do you have children's cold medicine too?
Yes, right here. It comes in a liquid form.
My nephew is sick too. How much is this one?
The children's medicine is $6.
I'll take one of those as well. Sure. Anything else? Do you have cough drops?
Yes, they're on aisle 2, near the front.
Great, thank you.
What about a fever reducer? This cold medicine already reduces fever. You won't need a separate one.
Oh, that's convenient. Just remember to drink plenty of water. I will. Thank you for your help. You're welcome. Do you have any allergies? No, none that I know of. Good. This medicine should be safe for you then.
Do you take insurance here?
Yes, we do. Do you have your insurance card?
I don't have my card with me today.
That's okay. You can pay in cash or card and use the insurance later.
Oh, that's a relief.
Can we pay by card? Of course. We accept both cash and card.
I'll go grab the cough drops. I'll be right back.
Okay, I'll wait here.
While she's gone, would you like anything else?
Actually, do you have vitamin C tablets?
Yes, right behind you on the shelf.
Perfect. I'll grab a bottle.
Good idea. Vitamin C can help boost her immune system.
I didn't know that. I'll take one for her.
It's a nice thing to do for a friend.
I just want her to feel better soon.
Hi there. Did you find everything you need?
Yes, thank you.
I see cough drops, cold medicine, children's medicine, and vitamin C.
That's right. Your total comes to $26.
Okay, let me check my wallet. Oh no, I only have $20 in cash.
Don't worry, I can pay the rest.
Are you sure? I can pay you back later.
Of course, don't worry about it.
You can also split the payment between cash and card.
Oh, I didn't know that was possible.
Yes, many customers do that.
That's convenient. I'll pay $20 in cash then.
And I'll cover the rest with my card.
Sounds good. Cash first, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. And now the card, please.
Here. Perfect. Please tap your card here. Done.
Great. The payment went through.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Here is your receipt.
What's a receipt for again?
A receipt shows what you bought and how much you paid.
Oh, right. I should keep it for the insurance.
That's a smart idea.
Thank you for your help today.
You're welcome. I hope you feel better soon.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Take care.
Let's put everything in the bag.
Good idea. It's still raining outside.
Yes, let's keep the medicine dry.
Right. I don't want the box to get wet.
We have a plastic bag. It should be fine.
Good thinking.
Ready to head back?
Yes, let's go.
Wait, did we get the tissues too?
Oh no, I forgot.
Let's go grab a box quickly.
Good catch. Thank you.
No problem. It's an easy thing to miss.
Okay, I have them now.
Let's pay for this one separately. It's quick.
That'll be $3.
Here you go.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Thanks again. Thank you for coming with me today, Max.
Of course, I'm happy to help.
This whole thing reminds me of my mother.
Really? How so?
When I was a kid, she always made me tea when I was sick.
That sounds sweet.
She would sit with me and read stories until I fell asleep.
That's a really nice memory.
I miss her a lot. She lives far away now.
I understand. It's hard when family is far.
Today felt a little like that. You took care of me.
I'm glad I could help, even a little.
It means a lot to me, honestly.
You would do the same for me.
Of course I would.
How are you feeling now?
A little better, actually. Maybe it's just knowing I have medicine now.
That makes sense. Sometimes just having a plan helps.
You're right. I feel less worried about tomorrow.
Your presentation will be fine.
I hope so. I really want to do well.
You've prepared so much for it.
True. I just need to rest and feel better tonight.
Take the medicine, drink some tea, and sleep early.
That's exactly my plan.
I can even bring you some soup later if you want.
Wow, really? That would be so kind.
Of course. What kind do you like?
Chicken soup, please. It's my favorite when I'm sick.
Chicken soup it is.
Thank you, Max. You always know how to make me feel better.
That's what friends are for.
I'm lucky to have a friend like you.
I feel the same way about you.
Look, the rain is stopping.
Oh, nice. Just in time.
That feels like a good sign.
Let's get you home so you can rest.
Yes, let's go.
We're almost at your building.
I can see it from here.
Just a little further.
Thank you for everything today, Max.
Anytime, Lily. Feel better soon.
I really think this medicine will help.
Me too. The pharmacist seemed very knowledgeable.
Yes, she explained everything so clearly.
I learned some new words today too.
Like what?
Dosage and drowsy. I didn't use those words much before.
Oh, me too. And over the counter.
Right. That was a new one for me as well.
Learning happens in the most random places, doesn't it?
It really does.
This soup is delicious, Max. Thank you for bringing it.
You're welcome. I'm glad you like it.
Today was quite a day.
It really was. We got a lot done.
We went to the pharmacy, met a really helpful pharmacist.
And we bought cold medicine, children's medicine, cough drops, tissues, and vitamin C.
That's right. A lot of shopping for one morning.
But it was worth it.
Definitely. I already feel a little better.
The medicine seems to be working.
I also learned some new words today.
Like dosage, drowsy, and over-the-counter.
And generic brand, too.
Right, I almost forgot that one.
It's nice to learn new words while doing something useful.
I agree. It feels more natural that way.
I'm also really thankful for your help today.
I was happy to be there for you.
You even carried my medicine bag the whole way home.
It was the least I could do.
How do you feel about tomorrow now? I mean, about my presentation.
I think you'll do great.
I hope so. I'm going to sleep early tonight.
Good plan. Rest is important when you're sick.
I'll take my medicine before bed, just like the pharmacist said.
Twice a day, remember, morning and night.
Right. I won't forget.
If you need anything tomorrow morning, just call me.
Thank you, Max. I really appreciate that.
Of course. That's what friends are for.
I think I'm going to sleep really well tonight.
Good. You deserve some rest.
Thank you again for today.
Anytime, Lily. Feel better soon.
I will. Good night, Max.
Good night, Lily.
Oh, I should also bring the children's medicine to my nephew tomorrow.
Right. Don't forget that on your way to work.
I'll put it by the door so I remember.
Good idea.
My sister will be so happy I got that for him.
I'm sure she will.
It reminds me of what my mother used to do for me.
Taking care of family, just like she did for you.
Exactly. It feels good to pass that on.
That's a really nice way to think about today.
Today started rough, but it turned into a good day.
I agree completely.
Thank you for making it better, Max.
You're very welcome, Lily.